at 888-400-FLOOR.
If you or a loved one suffer from heavy legs,
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
This list.
Joe Budden is not a bad rapper, though.
In my opinion, I could do the Jay-Z thing. Nas definitely. Biggie got to come up. Pac got to come up.
But Brad, you promoting these people, they don't have no women on the damn.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
When your phone needs charging, simply plug it into your wallet, honey.
Oh, now, Brad, tell me more about this.
Well, Gary, the wallet has a slim, slick aluminum look and has a lightweight design, and it fits easily into any
1-800-546-9737.
Other mortgages are paid each month, but with a reverse mortgage, you can pay whatever you can when it works for you. Or you can wait and pay it off in one lump sum when you leave your home.
Discover the option that's best for you. Call today and find out more in AAG's free, no-obligation reverse mortgage loan guide. Access tax-free cash and stay in the home you love.
You've probably been investing in your home for years, making monthly mortgage payments, doing the right thing. And it's become your family's heart and soul. Well, that investment can give you tax-free cash just when you need it.
Learn how homeowners are strategically using a reverse mortgage loan to cover expenses, pay for health care, protect investments, and so much
This
more.
is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Or other contaminants? Clear water doesn't always mean clean water, especially after it travels through miles of old pipes where contaminants could be picked up along the way and end up at your kitchen faucet and into your drinking water. If you've tried pitcher filters, there's something you should know. What if you could reduce 10 times more contaminants straight from your faucet? Now you can. Pure faucet filters are certified to reduce 99% of lead and 10 times more contaminants than a leading pitcher. Watch. Pitcher filters rely on gravity, so the filter pores are larger, allowing more contaminants to pass through. Superior filtration can only be done with pressure. With Pure, when you turn on your faucet, pressure pushes water through a multi-layered filter.
muy atento a los ofrecimientos que tendrás en este día. No contestes a la primera. Tú te emocionas así muy tranquilo. Unidades en cuanto se presenten. Traemos muy buenos aspectos, mi querido Leo. El fuego te aspecta de manera sensacional. Aprovecha más.
Liability.
This is, in a way, serving notice to the businesses that this is a risk that they will have to consider if they continue the way they do, without due consideration of the consequences of human rights violations in their business relations.
Myanmar's foreign ministry has rejected the report, saying it was intended to harm the interests of Myanmar and its people. The report further raises the pressure on the Myanmar military.
New York's Country 94.7.
Hi, this is Sam.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
By the sea and the night rolled in, and you still talk about that moon that I can't recall, but God, I saw all I needed to.